Hi everyone, I am back with another Aliexpress haul and some projects that I have done with these items. All items, if you want to buy them, the link excuse me, will be in the description below. So let me get on and show you some of these really gorgeous, yummy projects that I have been making, having a lot of fun with. Now, this die I just absolutely love. It is absolutely fantastic. It's pretty big as well. Excuse me, it's a really nice size, as you can see. Let me just measure it for you. And the card that I've made is 5 by, I think, 6. 5 by 6. So as you can see, it's lovely. And it can be used to make a card like this, as you can see. Or you could have it as a pocket in a journal with a flip up. How cute. And I've put a little dangle on the bottom. Would be a lovely wedding invitation card. You wouldn't even need to put that on. You could hang anything from that, or not even bother hanging anything. You could even have it opening this way, and then do the die so that you've got a fold over with both pockets. I've just been experimenting. I just did the one way, but I absolutely love it. It's super fast and easy, and you're going to be trouble again, aren't you? Get out of the way. So that's the first die. It is just gorgeous. I love it. Absolutely love it. I think I'll be making some cards with that, and maybe a pocket for journals. I think it's super, super cute. Right, so that's the first one. Then I have this die here, which was, hang on, I have got some prices on some of the things. It was £1.35, and you get the two bits. You get the edge and then you get the bit in the middle. And I have actually made a little project with it. How cute is that? And all I did was put one of my stickers, a little bit of my lace trim, and then you've got a lovely you know, embellishment for your journals, for your projects. Really super cute. £1.35 that was. Look how cute that is. That's just adorable. Love it. And then I have this die here, which I haven't made a project with, but I've cut it out for you to show you what you actually get in it. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dies. So you can obviously layer them up. And then you can put, that one on there. And then you would put that one maybe on there. So there's lots of different options. Or if you're doing a card, you could just cut that out into the card. The same as with this one here. You could just cut this into a project. So you could have a lot of fun with this die set. I haven't got the price on it, but it will be in the description below. So that one would actually go on the smaller one, actually. That one like that. But look, how cute is that? I don't know. You could just have a lot of fun with it. I love this. This one here is my favourite. And then you could have a sentiment in the middle for your card making. So that is another set of dies. I have this really super cute little envelope, and it's 71p, and it makes this super cute little envelope outlined with a heart. So that's a cute one. And then this one here is one of my faves. I got this for my cat journal, and it cuts out, let me show you if I can get them out. It cuts out these lovely, it's got a paw print, as you can see. Look, it's got a cat paw there, and then this one is the silhouette of a cat. And then you can also cut out paws in projects. So there are actually 3 sizes of paws. I've only cut 2 out, but there's a bigger one there as well if you want to just cut a paw out in a project. But I love these silhouettes. Look at these. These would be beautiful on tags or on cards. And that was £2.20 for that one. I'll put those back in there. I'm going to make some tags with them later on. I just didn't get time. Then I have this set of tags And it makes, where have you put them, Charles? Oh no. Are you sat on them? Get up a minute. Get up. Get up. Ow. Get up. Right, get up a minute. Right, I'll do that one in a minute when he decides to get up. This is one of my faves because, as you all know, I got a Rolodex, and I did say to you all, if you wanted to be in my Rolodex, and I've got a name and address one. Look, it's a stamp. So it does this stamp, and then you've got the Rolodex die here. So now I can put your name and addresses in my don't be horrible, in my Rolodex. And they were, I do have a price up here somewhere. Okay, they were, no, it's not on that bit there. Oh no, what have I done with it? I did have a price thingy for that one, but I don't know what I have done with it. Right, not to worry, it will be in the description below. See what you've done? You've made me all messed up, Charles. It's your fault. I'm going to blame you. Did I put it here? No, I don't know where it is. Have you seen him? Look. You are so naughty. So yes, I can now put you in my Rolodex with these gorgeous die and stamp. How cool is that? Love it, love it, love it. And then I was going to show you this one. If he would move out of the way. Oh, hang on. There they are. There's the price. There. Ouch, there. The Memorydex address stamp and die are £1. The stamp is £1.64. So that's £1.64. And the die is £1.71. That is that. You're being a monkey. So that's that one. And then this one I have made some little cute. You've got a 4 tag set. And they are sort of stitched shaped ones. They are £2.06, and look at these gorgeous tags that I have made with them. So I only made 3 sizes because the little one was a bit little, and I did a little cat one for my cat using my cat stamps that I got recently. This is from the Peter Rabbit die cuts that I had, and these are from the Victorian Lady stickers, and some of the pearl trim, some of the lace trim. I'm just showing you all how you can use these items from Aliexpress, and this is the stamp one, the stamp sets. Just too cute. I mean, look at those. They're just adorable. And they are going in, they had gone in one of the, going in the giveaway as well. So this is being done, so don't worry if you're out of sync with some of the videos. I've done this video and probably won't put it up for quite a few days. So anyway, don't worry, these are going into a giveaway, which hopefully by the time this goes out would be in the post anyway. We don't know a winner yet. So look at them, they are just super, super cute. So £2.06. So that is what I've been up to. I've been making quite a lot of things, and I've got to make quite a few of these cards for all of you if you want to go in my Memorydex, so that I actually have your name and address on hand when you win my prizes. Then that's a good idea. So let me just move all of these out over here. Oh, and I also had these, they're like dots. Bubble dots, they're gorgeous. £1.47, and you get, I'm not sure how many you get in there, but you get the clear and you get the pink, but they have all different colours, and they're like these bubbles, like little embellishments to go on projects just to make them all gorgeous, but they have got different colours in these as well. But look how many you get. They're just adorable, look. So lots more goodies from Aliexpress, lots of projects that I have been making. I particularly love this, really do love this. It's a ready-made, gorgeous card, really. You know, super easy and super fast to make, and then you can put your sentiment or whatever inside. So that's that. Right, I am going to go have a cup of coffee and edit my videos and be good. So I shall see you all very soon with my next video. Take care. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.